Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Daily channel.
Hi, everybody. We are so happy you are here today.
My name is Wilbert.
And I'm Donna.
Today, we have a very interesting topic.
Yes, today we will talk about how to train your brain to think in English.
That sounds difficult.
Maybe a little difficult at first, but don't worry.
Yes, we will practice together slowly, step by step.
This video is perfect for beginners.
So relax.
Get some coffee
Or tea.
or noodles.
Donna is always hungry.
Always.
Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, it really helps us make more easy English lessons for you.
Okay, let's begin. Donna, can I ask you a question?
Of course.
When you speak English, do you think in English?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That is normal.
Very normal.
Many English learners translate in their head.
Yes. For example,
Maybe they think in their language first.
then translate to English.
That takes time.
And sometimes the brain becomes tired.
Exactly.
Sometimes my brain says, please stop.
Too many words. But today, we will learn how to make English more natural.
Yes, we want English to feel easy, not scary.
Okay, Donna, first question.
I'm ready.
What is the best way to train your brain to think in English?
I think the best way is simple practice every day.
Exactly.
Not one time a month.
No.
Not one time a year.
Definitely no.
Every day, little by little.
Small practice is powerful.
Very powerful.
For example, when you wake up in the morning,
You can think simple English thoughts.
yes, very simple thoughts.
Like,
I am tired.
I need coffee.
I don't want to get up.
That one is me every morning,
Me too.
especially on Mondays.
Mondays are dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Okay, everyone, let's practice together.
Repeat after us slowly.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I need coffee.
I need coffee.
One more time.
I need coffee.
Good.
Very good.
Now let's talk about daily actions.
This is very important.
Because daily actions are easy to practice.
You do them every day.
Exactly.
For example,
When you brush your teeth,
you can think,
I am brushing my teeth.
when you cook food,
I am cooking dinner.
when you drive.
I am driving to work.
Simple,
Very simple.
but very useful.
Many learners think they need difficult words.
But actually, simple English is powerful.
Yes, native speakers use simple sentences every day.
That is true.
You do not need perfect English.
You just need communication.
Exactly.
Wilbert, can I tell you something funny?
Of course.
One time, I tried to think in English while cooking,
Okay.
and I forgot the word onion. So I said, where is the white crying vegetable?
The white crying vegetable.
Because onions make me cry.
That is actually very creative English.
Really?
Yes, when you do not know a word, describe it.
Oh,
That is a great speaking skill.
so everybody listening,
Do not panic when you forget words.
stay calm.
Use simple words.
Describe the thing.
For example,
If you forget refrigerator,
you can say,
the cold food box,
perfect.
people will understand.
Another great way to think in English is talking to yourself.
Yes, it sounds funny.
But it really works.
Sometimes I talk to myself at home.
Me too.
Sometimes I answer myself too.
Okay, that is a little scary.
But seriously, self-talk is excellent practice. For example,
You can say,
what should I eat today?
maybe I'll make pasta.
No, maybe rice.
Oh no, there's no food.
That is my real-life conversation.
Haha, now let's do listening practice.
Great idea.
Donna, what do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Okay,
Then I drink water,
healthy.
sometimes healthy.
Haha,
Then I make coffee.
of course.
Then I check my phone.
Ah, yes, the phone.
A dangerous place.
Very dangerous.
Then I eat breakfast.
Nice.
Then I start work.
Okay, everyone, did you understand Donna?
Let's repeat some important phrases slowly.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I make coffee.
I make coffee.
Excellent.
Wilbert, what about you?
My morning is very simple.
Tell us.
I wake up late. Then I run to the kitchen
Why?
because I need coffee immediately.
Emergency coffee.
Exactly. Then I eat eggs and toast.
Nice.
Then I study English.
Very good.
And sometimes I watch funny videos.
For English practice?
Uh,
Wilbert?
okay, maybe not. Another important tip is stop translating everything.
Yes.
Try to connect English words directly to ideas.
Can you explain that simply?
Of course.
Thank you, Teacher Wilbert. I'm ready.
When you hear the word apple,
Okay.
do not think of the word in your language first.
Oh.
Imagine the picture of an apple.
I understand.
Connect English directly to the image.
That helps the brain think faster.
Exactly.
Let's practice.
Okay.
When you hear dog,
Imagine a dog.
woof woof.
Haha, yes.
When you hear pizza,
Imagine delicious pizza.
now I'm hungry again.
Donna is always hungry.
Always.
Music is also helpful.
Yes, English songs are wonderful practice.
Songs help your brain remember phrases.
And pronunciation too.
Exactly.
What songs do you like, Wilbert?
I like calm songs.
Relaxing songs?
Yes.
I like fun songs.
Dance songs?
Yes, but my dancing is terrible.
I want to see it.
No, you do not.
Movies are helpful too.
Yes, but beginners should choose simple movies,
Very important.
not super fast action movies.
Exactly.
Sometimes people speak too fast.
Choose easy shows first.
Use subtitles if needed.
English subtitles are great practice.
Okay, listeners, let's do a small challenge.
Ooh, challenge time.
Today, try thinking in English for 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes. You can do it. While walking,
Cooking,
cleaning, or sitting on the bus.
simple thoughts only.
Like,
The weather is nice.
I am hungry.
That dog is cute.
My bus is late.
Very common sentence.
Especially in big cities. Another great trick is naming things around you.
Yes.
Look around your room.
And say the objects in English.
Chair,
Table,
window,
phone,
coffee,
always coffee.
always.
Wilbert, what if someone feels shy speaking English?
That is very normal.
Many learners feel shy.
Yes, but mistakes are okay.
Mistakes help us learn.
Exactly.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Very true.
Sometimes I say silly things.
Me too.
One time I said, I am boring.
Oh no.
I wanted to say, I am bored.
Very big difference.
Very big difference. But we laughed and learned.
That is the important thing. Okay, everyone, repeat after us.
I am bored.
I am bored.
Not,
I am boring.
haha. Practice speaking out loud every day. Even 10 minutes helps.
Your brain needs repetition.
Again and again.
Little by little,
Day by day.
English becomes easier.
Wilbert, do you think children learn languages faster?
Sometimes yes,
Why?
because children are not afraid of mistakes.
Ah,
Adults often worry too much.
that is true.
Children just speak.
Even if the grammar is wrong.
Exactly.
So maybe adults should relax more.
Definitely. Okay, listeners, here is another practice.
We will ask simple questions.
And you answer in English.
Ready?
Question 1.
What did you eat today?
Pause the video if you need time.
Good idea.
Question 2.
What is your favorite drink?
Question 3.
What do you do before sleep?
Very nice.
Wilbert, what do you do before sleep?
I usually read.
Wow, smart.
Or I watch videos for 2 hours.
Haha, more honest.
What about you?
I say I will sleep early tonight.
Okay.
Then suddenly it is 1 a.m.
Very relatable. Before we finish, let's review important tips.
Great idea.
Tip 1. Think simple thoughts in English.
Tip 2. Practice every day.
Tip 3. Stop translating everything.
Tip 4. Talk to yourself.
Tip 5. Listen to English every day.
Music, podcasts, movies, videos.
Anything you enjoy.
Enjoyment is important.
Very important.
Learning English should feel fun,
Not painful.
not scary.
Not stressful.
You are learning slowly.
And that is okay.
Small progress is still progress.
Exactly. Okay, everyone.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today.
We hope this video helps you think in English more naturally.
Remember, do not be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
And practice every day.
Even 5 minutes helps.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
what do you usually think about in English?
And what is difficult for you?
We love reading your comments.
Please like the video
Subscribe to the channel.
and keep practicing English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.